All right, let's take a look at a new 3D printer that I saw. This is the AtomForm Palette 300. It's made by Mova. So we're going to take a look at it at some of the great things that it actually introduces to the new 3D platform. So sit back and enjoy this video.
Looks like reality, huh? Can they do multiple paints?
Yeah, I guess so. That's what they're promoting.
Open this one.
Looks like it's got a filled in the colors of
Samples that does for your pen. You can see it right in the corner, the bench. Have an Ethernet connection, RJ45 power, wireless to the poop area.